Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to solve question number 7, winter 20 variant 2. By looking at question number 7, this question related with trigonometry and progressions, arithmetic progression. The first and the second term of an arithmetic progression are, it's given the first and the second. Where is theta between 0 and half pi? Show that the common difference is. Do you remember how to get the common difference? The common difference is the second term minus the first term. Second term is minus tan squared theta divided by cosine squared theta minus the first term 1 over cosine squared theta. The common denominator already same. You can write it as a single fraction. Cosine squared theta minus tan squared theta minus 1. He asked to show that and write the expression included only cosine. So the first step, you have to remove tan. We already have tan is equal to sine theta over cosine theta. Tan theta is equal sine theta over cosine theta. But this is squared, so tan squared is equal sine squared over cosine squared. By removing tan and write sine squared theta divided by cosine squared theta minus, leave 1, divided by cosine squared theta by multiplying both by cosine squared theta to remove it from the denominator. By multiplying by cosine squared, remove cosine squared with cosine squared will be negative sine squared theta minus multiply by cosine will be cosine squared theta divided by multiply will be cosine to the power of 4 theta. We already have another identity, which is sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta is equal to 1. By taking a negative outside, the difference is negative sine outside, sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta. We can remove it and write 1. So the final answer will be negative 1 divided by cosine to the power of 4 theta. As here written in part 1, show that the common difference is. Part B, find the exact value of the 13th term when theta is equal to 1 over 6 pi. We already dealing with arithmetic progression. You have to get the value of A and the value of D. The first term is 1 over cosine squared, 1 over cosine squared x, and D is minus 1 over cosine to the power of 4x. You can find the exact value of A. A is equal to 1 over cosine 1 over 6 pi, it's all squared. To get the exact value, 1 over cosine 1 over 6 pi means cosine 30, which is root 3 divided by 2, the whole squared. Simplified, you will get your answer 4 over 3. By the same way, D is negative 1 over cosine to the power of 4, 1 over 6 pi. Write it like this, all to the power of 4. To get the exact value, cosine 1 over 6 pi, which is root 3 over 2, the whole divided by 4. Simplified is negative 1 over root 3 all to the power of 4, which is 9, 2 to the power of 4, which is 16. Simplified, you will get D is equal negative 16 divided by 9. He asked to get the exact value of U13. U13 in arithmetic progression is A plus 12D. The first term, 4 over 3 plus 12 times negative 16 divided by 9 Simplify this answer, divided by 3, divided by 3. So the answer will be 3, 4 minus 64 will be negative 60 divided by 3 is equal to negative 20. This is the exact value. Thank you.